Hey, welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 8725 Mulvaney Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, split tri-level house built in 1969 with 1,796 square feet here in the San Carlos neighborhood of San Diego 92119. This house is in the Gage Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Pershing Middle School and Patrick Henry High School. Hey, my name is Jesse Morrison, and I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before we get started, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, now let's get into it. All right, so looking out from the street at the house, you'll first notice that there's a nice sized 2-car garage. And as you're making your way up towards the entry, look at all the lush landscaping that visits you as you walk up there. There's rain gutters out front, a nice big covered front porch area that would be a great place to put a couple chairs and keep you out of the rain, if there is any here in San Diego. But as you enter, you're greeted with, just a bright feel as you open up the front door. You have recessed lighting, upgraded lighting throughout. This area right here is another place for a dining table. Look at the lighting fixtures above. Tons of, cabinet space, another dining area. All the bedrooms are upstairs, and then down here in the split level is another living space, which we'll get to in just a few. I love the plantation shutters over the windows throughout the house. And this is an upgraded vinyl flooring, which also goes throughout the house, which I'll make sure I point out as we go through this video. I want to point out the granite counters here and check out the fronts of them, the detail on the front. This was a nice upgrade. The drawers here, there's lots of drawer space. And here is the pantry, built-in pantry. I'll point out, just how deep it is. I want to say that it's about 14 inches from here, 12 to 14 inches, which gives you tons of space. There are stainless steel appliances that convey with the sale. This is a gas burning stove. Pay attention to the details over the wall there for the decorative tiles. There's lots of counter space for entertaining. Again, look at all the cabinetry here. You got a Lazy Susan in the side there for all of your, pots and pans or cereal. Making our way out here, look at the crown molding. That's the backyard, which we'll get to in just a little bit. That is a gas fireplace. You have central ducting for central heat and air. Look at the covered patio out there. We'll get out there a little bit after we go through the rest of the house, but I want to first kind of come down here to the other living space. This is where the garage is, so this is what you would enter. Here is where you put the TV. Look at how wide and large this space is. There's upgraded, let me turn on the lights for you. Upgraded lights down here as well. Lots of natural light coming in here. And you got a nook there and a bathroom. This backyard here, look at how it's a couple different levels, which is kind of nice. Again, I'll show you why I think that's nice when we get out there. But here is a half bath. I think this is like a marble top, and look, they have Delta, plumbing fixtures, which is a nice brand. So these windows, they're made out of vinyl, and they have these little features here. When you see them, allow you to open the window, and it'll stay, open an inch to keep airflow in without, worrying about somebody opening the window and breaking in. Going out to the garage, you got a nice wide garage with lots of storage and cabinet space. This is where the laundry would go. Right in this area here, you have an electric outlet here, and a gas option down here as well for your dryer. And then of course right here is where the wash machine would go. Okay, now let's go upstairs to where the bedrooms are. Take note of the stairs as we walk up there. The hard surfaces are also on the stairwell as well, which is nice. This little closet is where the HVAC system is. Okay, and then this is the linen closet for your towels and your sheets and all that good stuff. Here's your master, and then there's 1, 2, 3 bedrooms that direction and a little coat closet. This bathroom here services those 3 bedrooms. Take a look at the tile work in here, and you have a tub. And again, they have those Delta plumbing features in the bathrooms as well, and here on the sinks. Oh, here, there's skylights in a lot of part of the house as well. So here's the master, and you're looking out south, I believe, towards Mount Helix, and you have the water tower a little bit east towards Fletcher Hills. Again, you got this upgraded lighting, the crown molding, and over here in the closet you have these built-ins in the closets, which are really nice. Coming into the master bath, you have a nice stand-up shower. Take a look at the tile work in here, very well done. And then you got the raised sink, which is a pretty nice feature as well. And lots of, pull-out drawers on this vanity. All right, here's a closer look at the built-ins. You have some drawers here and lots of different ways that you can organize where you would set your hangers. Okay, let's make our way over to the bedrooms, the other 3 bedrooms. Just to the left here is the largest of the 3 bedrooms. You got the ceiling fans, and again the plantation shutters out here. This is looking out towards the front of the house over the driveway. And you got ceiling fans. And again, those built-in closets are in here as well. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay. And then this bedroom here, it also faces towards the front of the house. I want you to notice the crown molding and the molding on the walls that extends into this room as well. I mean, that is throughout the house. But here's the last bedroom. This is the smallest room of the house, but even this room, if you look out here, this is out east towards the mountains, but notice that you're not staring into a neighbor's window. So all the rooms are super private. You don't have anything to worry about as far as people looking in any of your bedrooms. All right, not any of the bedrooms. Okay, so let's go ahead and go downstairs and make our way out to the backyard. And as we do that, here's that fireplace again. Notice the stonework on the fireplace and the big mantle. This covered patio brings in a ton of shade. And along the side of the house, you have the nice hardscape here, keeping water off the house. You have a huge planter box here for whatever you want to garden. Lots of covered sitting area a big grassy area. Notice down there, so you could actually section off this yard, which this is one of the reasons why I like the split level yard like this. Is one of these sides and you got another planter here. One of the yards can be for kids, another yard part could be for the adults, but here you got another covered space here. But just notice, like, it'd be neat to have one space separated from the others. And then right over the fence here is where you keep the trash cans, you know, private and away from everything else. It's a pretty awesome house. All right, thank you so much for touring 8725 Mulvaney Drive with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar so that we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.